Just in it unique, especially in classics. Here's a 1971 Dodge Challenger, powered by a 340 V8 underneath the hood. FYI, it is not a numbers matching car, so I'm going to let you know that. Be straight up. That is paired with an automatic transmission, with a shifter on the floor, bucket seats. The paint on this is a little older paint. As you can see, it's kind of got a few, you'll pick up on some water spots. A light wet sand may bring it back a little bit. It's got a decent luster to it, 3, 4, 5 feet away. Looks good as you can see, but if you're right up on top of it, you'll start seeing some imperfections, but otherwise nice driver quality, I would say. Riding on brand new American Racing wheels and VF Goodrich tires. When I say brand new, they don't have 50 miles on them. See, it's got the deep purple deck stripe and side stripes on it. The car has a very nice stance, a nice look to it. Check out the interior, vinyl buckets, shifter on the floor. If you'd like to check out the underside, interior, engine bay, any of the still pics on this car, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see any of those. There's also the exterior pics of the car, but if you want to look through it with the still pics, feel free to look there or give us a call if you got any questions on the car. 507-386-1726 is where we can be reached. Go ahead and slip around to this side so you can check out the interior of it. Pretty stock looking interior yet. Door buzzer still even chimes. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. It'll give me an idea how it sounds. A little bit of a cold start, but fires up. Door closes nicely, nice rumble out of that 340. Like I said, if you have any questions on this car, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726, or check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.